So my name is Quentin Vercetty, and I am a spoken word artist, also a visual artist. And for Jamaica 50, I am going to give you some little dub versions of my type of poetry. And this is something I just wrote for you guys, just for you. So here we go. Oh, and it's untitled. It goes, cause we come from a place where everyone just a hustle, every maker make a mucker, cause we stuck up in the struggle. Belly just a grumble and the youths always in trouble, as opportunities really seen like lions in a jungle. But still we are carry on. Even after the pain is gone, we are still a sing a song of how we overcome, cause from the day that Columbus bring us come, things have been hard from the eras got run, things have been hard since Independence Day come. Said things have been hard, said things have been hard, said things have been hard like rock stone. But we not complain, not squalor, nor even mourn. While some man a road just they are ramp around, they are in a place using art like a phone to communicate home, establishing homes built on stones, foundations we are now laying. The progress is in the process like sweet potato baking, or like a fruit ripening in its due season. In every season we are seizing our reason to believe in a better tomorrow. So we just there, just a hustle to buy our own dreams, cause we just not borrow.